Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, I welcome you on the channel. I hope that you all friends are happy. In this video, I will describe 5 Urdu words that have no exact English translation. So friends, let's start this video. But before that, as per the tradition of this channel, I will recite a couplet. And today, it's not couplet, it's stanza.
तुम्हें हुस्न पर दस्तरस है तुम्हें तुम्हें हुस्न पर दस्तरस है मोहब्बत मोहब्बत बड़ा जानते हो तुम्हें हुस्न पर दस्तरस है मोहब्बत मोहब्बत बड़ा जानते हो तो फिर ये बताओ कि तुम उसकी आंखों के बारे में क्या जानते हो तुम्हें हुस्न पर दस्तरस है मोहब्बत मोहब्बत बड़ा जानते हो तो फिर ये बताओ कि तुम उसकी आंखों के बारे में क्या जानते हो ये जोग्राफिया फलसफा साइकोलॉजी साइंस रियाजी वगैरह ये सब जानना भी अहम है मगर उसके घर का पता जानते हो
Now friends, let's come on the topic and I'm going to explain 5 Urdu words that have no exact English translation. The first one is gham. What is gham? Do you think gham means just sadness? No, it's not so. Gham is not only sadness. Gham is grief mixed with memory, dignity, silence, and endurance. So gham is not only sadness. The second one is nazakat. What is nazakat? Most of the people translate this word nazakat as delicacy. But nazakat is not only delicacy. Nazakat also means subtle beauty, emotional sensitivity, and refined grace, especially in behavior. So nazakat does not only mean delicacy. The third one is hijr. What is hijr? Do you think hijr means just separation? No, it's not so. Hijr is not only separation. In fact, hijr is a painful distance between the lovers when love still exists. That is called hijr. It's not only separation. The fourth one is lutf. What is lutf? Do you think lutf is just enjoyment or pleasure, etc.? No, no. Lutf is beyond it. Lutf is like intellectual satisfaction and emotional warmth. The last one is qurbat. What is qurbat? Qurbat is not just closeness. No. Qurbat is spiritual, emotional, and psychological. So friends, these were 5 Urdu words that have no exact English translation. Now I will meet you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will surely meet you later and I request you please subscribe if did not yet. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.